Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is list comprehension with Python. And what we want to do is remove all the numbers that are floats. And here is our list, and we're going to print that sorted list. So after we're going to run it, and I hit the enter key. I'm using GitHub Copilot down here. So it's running, and you can see result equals X for X, an original list, which is exactly what we have, if type X equals int. So we're good to go here. I'm going to accept, and now I hit return key, and you see that it picked up my request to use a sorted list. I'm going to accept that as well. Control F5 to run it, and bingo, we have our desired output. Now, that's all well and good. Obviously, if we do the same thing, I'm going to copy this and then out comment. And now let's try remove all numbers. No. Show only float in original list, print sorted list. And oh, it already picked up my original list. So let's go ahead and accept that, but I'll uncomment it because that's what we want. And I'm going to add a float in here just for giggles. Let's say 3.14, comma. And now I am going to search for only results that have a float, which is exactly what I specified here. And now I'm going to print the sorted result, which should show me, accept the tab, which should only give me the floats, in this case 3.75, 0.04, etc. Control S, Control F5 to run it in Visual Studio Code, and you can see that my floats have shown up. So that's list comprehension. You can see that it's quite concise. For X and X, original list, if type X, and types become more and more important as I learn more about Python. And here we have the float. So equal means that it is not an assignment. It means that this is actually true. All right, thanks for watching, and happy computing.